part of our mission to make the world more sustainable, I want to share some information with you on how you can join us on our journey to go green by tapping into some of the government's EV charging grants. In this video, we'll be discussing one of those grants, which is the Workplace Charging Scheme, also known as WCS. This initiative is available for workplaces, small accommodation providers such as B&Bs, hotels, holiday lets, campsites and charitable organisations. And if your home serves as your registered workplace within Company House or HMRC, you may also qualify. Under the WCS, businesses stand to save up to 75% on the total cost of purchasing and installing EV charge points. With funding of up to £350 per socket, capped at 40 sockets across all sites per applicant, the potential savings could reach an impressive £14,000. It's worth noting that while the charge points are primarily designated for staff and fleet use, charities and small accommodation businesses can also extend their services to their guests and visitors. In WCS grant funding, benefiting more than 21,000 employers in their transition to zero-emission vehicles. And now, with the grant deadline extended until March 2025, the timing couldn't be more opportune to embrace this change. At Rolec, we're committed to guiding you through this transition every step of the way. For further details, check out our link in our bio or feel free to reach out. Together, let's pave the way for a greener future.